The Northwest Kansas Technical College, located in Goodland, Kansas, has a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning and refrigeration program that is second to none. The HVACR is everywhere. Residential, commercial, making this one of the coolest programs with the hottest job opportunities. Great placement and solid starting pay. This could be a great career for you. You will learn sheet metal fabrication, advanced electrical circuitry. These are just a few of the topics you will learn about. There are global job opportunities. Now is the time to open the door to job opportunities because HVAC is everywhere. This 10-month program will let you have a career for a lifetime. From the classroom to the field, it is time for a good educational experience. Call us today at 1-800-316-4127 or on the web at nwktc.edu.